am Manav Thakkar, international table tennis player. I am from Gujarat, Surat, and I am currently world number one in under 21 category. Main thing is speed. Table tennis is very fast game, so it requires speed, reflex, and also it requires brains. You need proper placements to make your opponents move. So I was good at doing placements, and I also loved the speed by which we used to play. So I was five when I started to play table tennis. Actually, my parents both are doctors, and we had a table tennis table at our home. So my parents used to play on weekends, like they were just college players. So even one day I got interested that even I want to play, and even I was not of the height of the table also. So what I did was there was a wall, like there was a ceiling where there was a table tennis table. So I stood behind I think 6 or 7 feet of the table, and whenever the ball came, I was able to return. I used to hit the wall. I used to hit the ceiling above it, and then the ball went to the next side. So like this, I was able to return 3 4 times the ball, and that's how I got interested. Like that's how I just started it as a hobby at my home, and slowly I just went in one local academy in Surat. I just started off as a hobby, and slowly I started to perform in the state level, district level, and also I performed in the national event. And then I took it seriously, and then I played professionally. I used to do skating. Actually, I used to do skating. When I was three, I started to do skating. Even I was ranked one in the district in the skating. But then I don't know. Like it was, my parents told me that the skating is very dangerous game, and age is very low. Like you can only play till 16 or 18. So they wanted me to shift this game, and I had a lot of interest in cricket. I always wanted to play cricket, but I don't know, they didn't want me to play cricket. So we had a table at our home. So fortunately, I just started to play table tennis, and I also used to do gymnastics at that time because I was a single child, and both my parents are doctors. So they also wanted me like to do something in the sport, and that's how I can stay away, because from morning till night, if I am staying at home, both of my parents are doctors, so they both are working. So even I was not able to meet them. So in the daytime, I used to play table tennis. In the evening time, I used to go and do gymnastics. So that's how I just started, and then I had to choose between gymnastics and table tennis because my days were getting very hectic. Because as soon as I was getting bigger, the schooling times were very hectic. Like I need to go from 7 o'clock in the morning until 2 o'clock in the afternoon to school, and then I can't choose to have both the sport. I cannot do gymnastics and table tennis at the same time after studying also. My parents told me that you play until the class 10. If you are able to perform well, like if you can play international, then maybe we'll see we can continue with the sport. But if you're not able to do well, if you're not able to, do something in the national, or cannot make a mark in national, then it's better you study. You have good brains. You also become a doctor, or you also do something in the studies. So, like when I started playing PT. The main thing was that I have to score good in studies also. So I was a ranker when I was at my home. I used to also get good rank, like number two or number three rank in school in my studies. And at the same time, I was continuing with table tennis. But once they saw that I'm performing well at the state level, also in the national level. So I remember in the year 2012, Gujarat doesn't have a sports background because everyone is in business or in cricket. There are very less players in other sports compared to other states. So to improve my game, I wanted to go to different academy, a professional setup where I can train, where there is a proper system. So there was a academy in Ajmer. Its name is Petroleum Sports Promotion Board. So actually, they called me for the trials, and when I went for the trials, I came first. So I think in 2012, that was a very bold decision taken by my family that I was just 12 and I had to shift to Ajmer, like away from my family. Like there was a change in school, change in food. So at that time, they allowed me that okay, you go from 6 until 9th or 10th, you do whatever you want, you work hard. If you are able to perform, then you will yeah, will see we can continue, and if you are not, then we'll see what we can do, what is the backup plan. So once I went to Ajmer, there was a Chinese coach over there. I trained over there professionally. There are also, India #1 players in different categories. It was India's one of the best academies at that time. So I got guided by the Chinese coaches. I got very good, sparring partners. Like I got very good players and very good seniors also whom I look up to. Like they are performing well for their for the this Ajmer only, and also for India also. They were playing internationals. They have played Asian Championship, many big tournaments. So once I went there, and I remember that I played my first international when I was in class 9. So that was a very proud moment for me and my family. And after that, my family was like, "You should continue playing table tennis because you are doing it like very good." think first, if I remember the first year, it was I think a disaster for me because like I used to have homesickness because I was never away from my family, so I used to have homesickness. Also, I used to miss a lot my home food because in the hostel you cannot get very good, like it's a good food, but you cannot get the food like home. You cannot compare the food of hostel and of home. And also there was a change in school, so I didn't have many of friends in the new school compared to the old ones. Change in people, like I didn't have my old friends, and at that time, at that age, like I don't think I had a phone also to contact my old friends. I don't know, stay with touch with them. So there was a change in people, change with food. But the only thing which kept me going was a training, because whenever I was at home, I used to train for 2 hours, 2.5 hours a day. But whenever I went to this Ajmer, there was a profession setup. The main more focus over there is for table tennis, not for studies. So we usually train there 6 hours a day plus 1 or 2 hours of fitness in a day. So my training was very professional and very hard over there, and I was enjoying it in the terms of training. But the other things like what my family did was like every week, every 2 weeks, they used to visit me 1 or 2 times. Then it became in months, then became 2, 3 months, 6 months, and finally like now it's very rare. Like I see my family once or twice in a year. When I was in Surat, I was able to perform well in state, but I didn't make any mark in the national event. So that's what I am telling. To upgrade my game, I had to go out from Gujarat, and I went to Ajmer. So there Chinese coach trained me a lot, and I remember like from 2012 was a good training for me. I didn't perform that well, but from 2013 I started to make mark in the national. I became #1 directly in the national, and from 2013 until now, like I have always been part of the Indian team. I have always represented India in my particular event, and from last 3 4 years I have been representing India at the senior level also. So the Chinese coach over there groomed my game a lot. And then there was an Italian coach in 2016. He helped me a lot, and then I started to also perform well in the international arena, and I became world #1 in under 18 category in 2017, and also I became world #1 in 2020 in under 21. I think, yeah, even I expect that from myself. Not becoming world #1, but even I have expectations because I did well in under 18. I also did well in under 21. So yes, I have been training hard for this years. But yes, I have seen that competing in juniors and competing in seniors is a big level difference, because in senior category I have seen players, they are like it's completely different. They have many strategies to play. So if you break the one strategy, it's not like they are just having a plan A. They are also having plan A, plan B, plan C at the same time, and they are so quick in changing the tactics, which there is nothing like that in junior level. And in junior level, once you keep pressure on the opponents, so they are scared. They started to feel little bit nervous, so they used to give away the games. But in senior level, it's complete different. Like they started to hit more powerful strokes, more quality. So it becomes tougher and tougher in senior level. So yes, I have been facing difficulties in past 3 4 years, but at the same time, I have been guided well by my seniors, like you can say Satyan Vya, Sharat Kamal. My short-term goal is to first of all win the national championships, because I lost last year to Harmit in the finals, and this year I lost against Sharadbya, very close match in the semi-finals. So I have been part of the national training team. There are 5 members in national training team. So I wanted to win that national championship, which will be coming. I don't know, 2021 end, I guess. And also my senior world ranking is 139. So I want to improve my senior world ranking. I want to go in top 100, top 80. I want to make that ranking go higher. And at the same time, I think that, yeah, in 2022 there is Commonwealth Games and Asian Games. So I want to be part of the Commonwealth Games and Asian Games squad and bring medals. Like I was last year part of the Asian Games. I was the youngest Indian to win bronze medal at the Asian Games. So hopefully I want to be part of these Asian Games as well and bring a medal over there also.